What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University. Today we have another good question from the Facebook group. Umer asked which ad platform is more newbie friendly. So basically he's trying to know which platform is beginner friendly. And with platform I assume he's talking about traffic sources.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
So obviously we have a whole list of traffic sources available, and I'm going to specify a couple for you. In my personal opinion, I think social is a really good way to start with paid traffic. The reason being why is it's because of behavior patterns. Most of us are using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Tumblr, and or Twitter. Obviously there are a lot more like VK, Lime in Asia, and there's like different ones available, right? Which you can all advertise on in some way or another. The biggest ones being Facebook, Instagram, and I would say TikTok, Pinterest right now. We all know or have used these platforms, and the behavior patterns on these platforms are quite similar to one another. What does this mean? This means that if you know how the platform works as a user, it is easy to advertise as an advertiser, as an affiliate to that specific audience. Although certain behavior patterns might change per demographic, usually it's quite similar. You are on Facebook to consume content. You see the ads yourself. What are you feeling with the ads? I know that I never click on any ads on Facebook. That's just the person I am. However, on Instagram, I like to swipe up. On TikTok, I like to have a look at the ad, but I don't click. And so there are different behavior patterns. Like on Snapchat, I always skip the ads. There are different behavior patterns per social channel. However, it's quite similar. When you look at the other ones, so we have display, native, pop, redirect, it's almost kind of the same. Adult, and of course email, SMS is kind of the same. These patterns might not be familiar. Although you receive SMS notifications, I doubt you get a lot of advertisements through SMS, right? Unless maybe it's phishing scam or whatever. So this is very important. If you don't want to go with social, I would say push, pop, redirect, especially push in my opinion, is one of the friendliest beginner sources to start with. You can get a tremendous amount of data with little investment, and you can make fun campaigns, you make a good amount of money with it. Display is like native, big budgets, big traffic. No, I would say big traffic, which could result in big budgets, right? Depends on the tier that you're targeting. Adult is something you really need to feel for yourself. It's not my kind of thing. I don't want to look at adult content all day, so it's not for me. Email, SMS, I don't like email marketing. The database monetization works the same with SMS, so also not my thing, right? So I would say social would be my number one pick, and then push, pop, or redirect. Depending on how much money you have, start with push. You have less money, start with pop. You have less money, start with redirect, right? And you can already start with push in tier 2, tier 3 geos if you have $100. So it doesn't have to be a big amount of money. Which ad platform is more newbie friendly? I would say social media. The social media ad managers are very well developed. Usually you don't need an external tracking software if you don't want to use it. So that saves some cost for the newbies, which I think most of the time that is their main concern. They don't have cash, they don't know where to start. The Facebook Ads Manager, obviously there are a tremendous amount of opportunities there, although with only 1% of the tool, you can already run great ads using the pixel. Snapchat the same, TikTok the same, Instagram, well in Facebook of course. Pinterest is, I would say, the most simplistic one together with Snapchat, setup based. And then of course push is not that difficult, but you have more data analysis there. You're dealing with widget IDs, placements, so their feature makes it a little bit more complex. So Umer, what I would say is, what do you spend your time on? What you spend your time on, whether you have a direct influence on the data you have consumed already, the behavior patterns, and start with that. Meaning, probably 99% of the people will start out with social media. If you don't want to do social media, you basically only have one choice as a beginner. I would do push, pop, or redirect, unless you really want to dive in. You have, let's say, 5,000, 10,000 to spend, maybe even 1,000, depending on the tier you choose. Then, of course, display, native, What else do we have? I wouldn't pick adult, but display native could be great. Email, you need a database, so you need to buy it or build it. And SMS, same thing, right? So email, SMS, and what I'm talking email, million emails a day, not autoresponder sending 20 emails a day. That's bullshit. We're talking millions emails sent per day. Really, the neutral offers, the crypto offers, what we would say spam, with like direct rotating service, where actually real money is made. You know, if you want to make $100 a day, $50 a day with autoresponder, fine. But I'm talking about 10, 50K a day, running like millions of emails in a loop. With service. I know how it works. I know how to set it up. It's just not something I desire. One of my old buddies, he used to do this for a company, so he taught me how to do it. I know how it works, but not really for me. I would say start with social, or then go to push, pop, or redirect. Redirect, not so much, very low quality, very cheap. Pop, lower quality, also low quality, also quite cheap. And push, out of those three, is the most expensive one, but also way better quality traffic. So that's basically, Umar, what I want to tell you today. Which ad platform is more newbie friendly? What you desire, but I would say start with social and see how it goes. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to have a look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.